Hello. As many of you know, my name's David Sandoval, and I've dedicated more than 3 decades of my life to natural healing. And I have never, never seen a product more important than the product that I'm going to introduce you to right now. It's called Biome Medic, and it's designed to remove a toxic substance from our gut microbiome. And that toxic substance is called glyphosate. Glyphosate is a chemical that's used on our food, and it's found in 75% of the food we eat. More importantly, every single American that's been tested has been shown to have glyphosate in their bodies. The problem is that glyphosate destroys your gut microbiome, and our gut microbiome is responsible for 70% of our immune function. Our gut microbiome is responsible for producing a vital hormone called serotonin that keeps us from getting depressed. And the gut microbiome is responsible for taking all of the good nutrients from the food we eat and eliminating all of the toxins from the food we eat, bringing the nutrients into our body and pushing the toxins out. This chemical, glyphosate, will destroy the gut microbiome, and it leads to leaky gut. It leads to fatty acid disease, and it possibly could lead to a lot worse. Los Angeles has banned glyphosate. The state of California has deemed it to be a cancer-causing agent. The World Health Organization and the National Academy of Sciences have each labeled it a health hazard, and yet it's still used in our food. It is still 100% legal, and it is poisoning our bodies. Leading experts believe it could cause autism. It could be a leading cause of Alzheimer's and other immunosuppressive diseases. Finally, we have an answer. Pre-clinical trials prove that Biome Medic can remove 75% of this toxic chemical from our gut in as little as 6 weeks. Now, we have specialized and patented unique ingredients that will flush out and lift up the toxin from our tissue. It'll grab and bind onto that toxin and remove it from the body. It will then restore and rebuild colonies of friendly bacteria and regrow the vital villi that are an important part of this system we call the gut microbiome. Just so that you know, scientists refer to the gut microbiome as the second brain of the body. And when the second brain of the body begins to die, so does the rest of the body. So I have to ask you, what are you doing to restore integrity to your health? What are you doing to fight against glyphosate in your body and in the body of your children? Now is the time to take a stand, and Biome Medic is a powerful, powerful tool for us to use in this battle to stay healthy and alive. Over 30 years in the field of natural healing, and I've never seen a product more important. I've never seen a product more appropriate. I've never seen a product more timely than Biome Medic is for the problems facing America today.